enjoying the cold a little bit. The rest of us, not so much. Let's take a look back at this morning. Some of those coldest wind chills here across the upper Midwest. Rochester area 50 below, 45 below in Mankato. Those are those wind chills here this morning. Up towards Brainerd, Bemidji, Minot, North Dakota, 50 to 52 below for that wind chill. Duluth registering 57 below this morning. Grand Marais up in the Arrowhead region of Minnesota registering 63 below for that coldest wind chill value here around the area this morning. Locally, 53 below was our coldest recorded for the region. This was locally in the Dexter area, but Austin, Preston, Saratoga, Lake City, Owatonna all registering 50 below this morning. So just downright cold and uncomfortable. And again, that was just the wind chill. Air temperatures were sitting into the teens and 20s below zero. So our air temperature was 22 below in Rochester, 20 below in Mankato, St. James, and Mason City, same for Charles City, and Decorah, 18 below in Winona, and 21 below in the Austin area this morning. Heading into tonight, we continue with our first alert days, and we'll continue with that all weekend long. Tonight, we have a cold weather advisory in place for all of southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. At this point in time, we'll be looking at wind chill values anywhere from 25 to 35 below. So this will remain in effect through about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then we'll likely see maybe a bit of a break, but I would not be surprised to see additional cold weather headlines issued from the National Weather Service throughout this upcoming weekend. Right now, we do have sub-zero air temperatures here locally into roughly about 10 to 15 below is what we're seeing right now. Many of us could be looking at wind chill values nearing 25 to 30 below, but we also have some spots where those air temperatures and wind chill values are very close together. Not as much wind in those regions, but all across the upper Midwest here, we're looking at some very cold conditions. Notice up towards Duluth, 39 below for that current wind chill value, 18 below for the air temp. Air temperature in Bemidji right now is 23 below, so just uncomfortably cold, more of that cold on the way. And I want to show you here, zoom out of much of the upper Midwest here. We have quite a few areas still stretching from portions of Montana through North Dakota, northern Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan area still under extreme cold warnings. The lighter blue is that cold weather advisory, so a good chunk of the upper Midwest being impacted by the cold in some way, shape, or form here tonight and this weekend. Tomorrow morning for your Saturday, we'll be waking up 7 a.m. with temperatures into the teens below zero. Wind chill values ranging anywhere from, say, 15 to 30 below for those wind chills. So across the board, downright cold. We will see those air temperatures tomorrow staying sub-zero. Wind chill values at times may get close to those air temperatures as we get a break from the wind, but still throughout our Saturday we could be looking at wind chill values roughly about 15 to 25 below. So looking at the 7-day forecast here for the Mankato area, sub-zero high temperature tomorrow. We